Hi, this is group 4. I'm Glenda Jurado.
I'm Gabrielle Michel-Johnson.
And Yelaine Diaz.
And we'll be presenting a model of the larynx and its functions. To begin with, we have number 1, which is the epiglottis here. Then we have the thyroid cartilage in gray. And then we have the hyoid bone that sits on top. Number 4 is the cricoid cartilage. 5 is the trachea. 6 is the tracheal ring. So, and then in the back we have number 7, the arytenoids. And then not seen in this model because they're beneath the flesh are the cuneiform cartilages. And number 9 we have the triticial cartilages in green. And then we have the hyothyroid membrane here at the front. Number 11 we have the cricotracheal membrane. 12 is the thyroarytenoid muscles, which are shown with the yarn string. And within it is the blue, which is the vocalis muscle. And then for 13 and 14, we have the transverse and oblique arytenoid muscles that will sit posterior to the arytenoids. And then in the back is the sparkly cricothyroid muscles. They're on both sides. And for 16, we have the posterior cricothyroid muscles with the hearts. And then the final one is the black strings, which are the vocal ligaments. The larynx is composed of a multitude of cartilages, muscles, and membranes that all work together to voice sound. The thyroid cartilage articulates with the cricoid cartilage. And the arytenoid cartilages sit atop the posterior cricoid cartilage.
Notice how the vocal ligament and the thyroarytenoid muscles are presented within the diagram, including the divisions of the thyroarytenoid muscles, known as the thyromuscularis and the thyrovocalis in blue. The posterior cricothyroid muscle abducts, opens the vocal folds, while the lateral cricothyroid abducts, close the vocal folds.
The specific pattern in which the vocal cords open and close is referred to as a mucosal wave, which is a rippling wave-like fashion. This specific pattern occurs as a result of the changes within the pressure between the bottom and the top of the vocal cords. The subglottal pressure is known as the positive pressure that is built underneath the closed glottis as the vocal cords begin to separate at the bottom edges. Throughout the separation, the positive pressure will continue to distribute in an upward direction. The complex vibration occurs as a result from the mucosal wave and generates the resonant sound of human voice. But it's important to keep in mind that the vocal cords are tense, causing the pitch to be higher, versus when they're relaxed and elongated, it'll produce a deeper pitch.
Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot about the larynx and its structures and the process of phonation.